Georgetown ISD Long Range Plan for Technology 2011 through 2014, moving toward transforming American education, learning powered by technology, the 2010 National Education Technology Plan. Georgetown ISD's Long Range Plan for Technology was revised in 2011 and spans the 3-year period of 2011 through 2014. It has 4 goals, which align with the TEA Long Range Plan. Goal 1 is increase and support student academic performance in all curricular areas through the integration of technology into teaching and learning. Goal 2, in alignment with the district's goals, provide professional development for staff in the areas of basic technology skills, integrating technology into teaching and learning, instructional management, and administration. Goal 3, ensure that district and campus leadership have a shared vision and provide exceptional support for a collaborative and technology-rich learning environment. And Goal 4, enhance and maintain a secure information technology infrastructure that provides a high-quality environment for teaching, learning, and administrative needs. The Georgetown ISD Long Range Plan is aligned with the Texas Long Range Plan for Technology. Georgetown ISD's Goal 1 aligns with Texas Long Range Plan's teaching and learning. Goal 2 aligns with educator preparation and development, Goal 3 with leadership, administration, and instructional support, and Goal 4, infrastructure for technology. More specifically, Georgetown ISD's Goal 1, integrate technology into teaching and learning, has specific objectives. Objective 1.1, increase student academic performance through the integration and mastery of technology applications TEKS in the core curriculum and technology applications courses at the high school level. Objective 2, reach beyond the traditional classroom and school day to provide quality learning opportunities for students, staff, parents, and community. Objective 3, use data and digital diagnostic tools to monitor the progress of students and make informed decisions to differentiate instruction. Objective 4, support the use of emerging technologies aligned with state standards. Georgetown ISD's Goal 2, provide training in using and integrating technology, has 3 specific objectives. First, develop and implement a technology staff development plan correlated to the SBEC Technology Application Standards 1 through 4 and the district's goals to facilitate mastery of basic technology skills by all staff. Second, develop and implement a technology staff development plan correlated to SBEC Technology Application Standard 5 and the district's goals to facilitate integration of technology across the curriculum. And third, develop and implement an accountability program to encourage and track staff progress toward mastery of technology applications educator standards 1 through 5. Georgetown ISD's Goal 3, district and campus leadership should share a vision for collaboration and technology-rich learning environments. There are 5 specific objectives for Goal 3. First, provide district administrators with technology leadership training to instill a skill set required to effectively support and evaluate technology integration into instruction. Second, verify that district and campus improvement plans include technology strategies that are data-driven and align with district goals to increase student achievement. Third, collaborate with district and community leaders to create policies that promote secure district and community access to district technology resources. Fourth, improve and expand technology support through effective use of personnel. And fifth, improve and expand communication within the district and with the community to facilitate access to critical information. GISD's Goal 4, secure information technology infrastructure, has 6 specific objectives. First, provide and continually improve technology resources in district-wide instructional and administrative settings. Second, effectively support network resources by improving technical service levels. Effectively manage the inventory of technology assets and provide schedules and procedures for maintenance, replacement, and improvement of those assets. Establish minimum standards for selection, configuration, and purchase of hardware, software, and infrastructure. Establish standards and methods for maintaining network security, internet communications, and the telecommunications infrastructure. And develop, implement, and document an effective plan for recovery of data and network services in the event of a disaster. In writing the Georgetown ISD Long Range Plan for Technology, the team used some of the best practices in educational technology to develop our plans for the future. We want to integrate technology instruction and technology use into the core content areas. We want to educate teachers and students about online safety and ethical use of technology. We'll encourage the use of online learning environments and distance learning. We want to implement Web 2.0 and collaborative tools. We'll provide training for teachers and administrators on basic technology skills and effectively integrating technology into teaching and learning. We want to communicate with parents and the community through appropriate tools, such as district campus and teacher websites, email listservs, and a parent portal to access student grades and attendance. We want to purchase educational technology equipment, such as computers, document cameras, and interactive whiteboards and slates. And we want to find ways for students to access technology resources 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The National Education Technology Plan was updated recently and subtitled Transforming American Education, Learning Powered by Technology. The National Education Technology Plan includes 5 points. Learning, engage and empower. Assessment, measure what matters. Teaching, prepare and connect. Infrastructure, access and enable. And productivity, redesign and transform. Under learning, the U.S. Department of Education explains, how we need to learn includes using the technology that professionals in various disciplines use. For students, using these real-world tools creates learning opportunities that allow them to grapple with real-world problems, opportunities that prepare them to be more productive members of a globally competitive workforce. Georgetown ISD can incorporate some of these ideas from the National Education Technology Plan to improve learning. We can work with all of our content areas to incorporate critical thinking, complex problem solving, collaboration, and multimedia communication, which allows students to develop a deep understanding within specific content areas and make connections among them. We can also develop plans to implement the use of the technology that professionals in various disciplines use, such as wikis, blogs, and digital content, to allow that kind of collaboration among our students and teachers. Under the category of assessment, the National Education Technology Plan explains that when combined with learning systems, technology-based assessments can be used formatively to diagnose and modify the conditions of learning and instructional practices, while at the same time determining what students have learned for grading and accountability purposes. To improve the Georgetown ISD plan for technology in the area of assessment, we can develop a plan in conjunction with the curriculum department to put assessments in place that address the full range of expertise and competencies reflected in standards. Based on that data that we collect, we can create a system of interconnected feedback for students, educators, parents, school leaders, and district administrators. In the category of teaching, prepare, and connect, we can help build the capacity of educators by enabling a shift to a model of connected teaching. Teams of connected educators replace solo practitioners. Classrooms are fully connected to provide educators with 24/7 access to data and analytic tools, and educators have access to resources that help them act on the insights the data provide. Georgetown ISD can improve our teaching by developing a plan to enable teaching to be a team activity and to create online learning communities. We can replace episodic and ineffective professional development with professional learning that's collaborative, coherent, and continuous, and that blends more effective in-person courses and workshops with the expanded opportunities, immediacy, and convenience enabled by online learning environments. In infrastructure, access, and enable, the National Education Technology Plan states that infrastructure includes people, processes, learning resources, policies, and sustainable models for continuous improvement, in addition to broadband connectivity, servers, software, management systems, and administration tools. Georgetown ISD can improve its long-range plan for technology to develop an infrastructure for learning that is always on, available to students, educators, and administrators, regardless of their location or the time of day, especially access to people and participation in online learning communities. Finally, in the area of productivity, the National Education Plan says, education has not incorporated many of the practices other sectors regularly use to improve productivity and manage costs, nor has it leveraged technology to enable or enhance them. We need to make the dramatic structural changes that technology enables to see dramatic improvements in productivity. Georgetown ISD can implement some recommendations from the National Technology Plan to incorporate online learning, which gives us the opportunity to extend the learning day, week, or year. The references for this presentation are the Georgetown ISD Long Range Plan for Technology 2011 through 2014, the State Board for Educator Certification, Technology Application Standards for All Beginning Teachers, Texas Education Agency's Long Range Plan for Technology 2006 to 2020, and the U.S. Department of Education, Transforming American Education, Learning Powered by Technology, which is the 2010 National Education Technology Plan.